The VX1000 uses ECU debug ports for measurement and calibration. Find out how this also allows you to flash new software versions to your ECU. Hello and welcome to the VX1000 tech tutorials, which will give you technical hints and guidelines for our products. My name is Jonas, and today I want to simplify your daily work by showing you how to use the VX1000 for flashing your ECU. When you're in the field testing, you sometimes receive a new software version. Typically, the default way to update your ECU is using a UDS communication. The integrated flash bootloader can be accessed through an automotive network like CAN. Besides a high software integration effort, the communication channel is considerably slow. But there is a faster method. If a VX1000 is attached to your ECU, this usually also provides you with a very efficient way to flash the ECU. Vector provides a large amount of VX1000 flash kernels for a large variety of microcontrollers, so you can directly write your hex file into the ECU. Please be aware that the VX1000 does not support flash programming for all microcontrollers that can be used for measuring. If required, we can also customize flash kernels, like adding specific watchdog handling. Please get in contact with us for further information. The link is in the description. Let me show you in the following how it works in detail. Let's open a Canopy project. In my example, it is a project for an Infineon tri-core evaluation board. By opening the device configuration and looking at the device tree, we will find the category Memory Flash. On the first page, we check the flash tool settings to be set to the XCP device. Then we proceed to the page XCP and select the flash kernel, matching the controller used. Just in case your specific device is not available, please immediately get in contact with us to support you. We can have a look at the page Groups, where all flash areas of the controller are displayed. You can now check them, delete them, and recreate them as you want. The VX1000 takes control of the ECU like a debugger and downloads and starts the flash kernel. VX1000 and the flash kernel are then able to program the ECU flash memory. In Canopy, we can have a look at the chapter Tools in the ribbon bar. There we will find on the very left the category Flash with two entries. Some might be used to the vector product vFlash, which is a UDS-based tool to flash ECUs through a bootloader via CAN or any other automotive network. In Canopy, we've integrated a vFlash Lite to perform exactly this action. But we want to focus on the button Program, where we see the options Upload and Download. While Upload is the direction from the ECU to Canopy, Download means from Canopy towards the ECU. The upload command will extract the data from the ECU, an option to be used to save and back up the current firmware. The download command overrides the content of the ECU flash. Through the button Add or Replace File, we can now select the appropriate file that we want to flash into the ECU and then start flashing. As soon as the process is done, we are now able to see the new code running. By the way, this process is not only applicable to update your ECU, but the VX1000 is also capable to bring brain-dead ECUs back to life or flash brand new chips for the very first time. And that's a wrap. I hope it was an enlightening video which covered the idea of flashing the ECU by using the VX1000 system with Canopy. Don't forget to check out our other videos. Thanks for your attention. Already a subscriber to our channel? If not, join the Vector Tech Tutorial channel and hit the bell to be notified. You will never miss any of our new content.